guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing all the snow. Look how much snow had it been. The top platform you can see up there usually doesn't meant to be like that. Oh, and this is the half path. And I think there are some seagulls flying there, and there are lots of snow all around. Let me show you some snow from the kitchen window. Okay, let's see the kitchen window. Oh my gosh! Look, that was where I presented where I was at the front door, and I was showing you the railing. Now see the bottom. That's so beautiful, right, folks? Yeah. Oh, and look at the light bulbs. Wait, I'll show you the light bulbs from here. Okay, let me see. Okay, you see that light bulb? And I'm gonna turn on the light, and then I'll go back. Okay, I think that's the switch. Okay, now you see the light bulb is on, but I can't show it properly. You can see a little bit that's on. And look at the top. It looks like hot chocolate with snow there. Oh, also look at the bottom. You can't see it, but I'm sure you can see it if I do like this. And yep, that's my end of the channel. So folks, if you liked my channel, subscribe and share. Bye. See you later.